Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 6, The Junk Sailor on page number 66. Children, we saw how Kiran collects the junk from junk collectors and sell it to Dinu's big shop and earn money out of it. Now children, here on this page number 66 we see Kiran sells 32 kg of iron. Now children, the amount by which 1 kg of iron sold is rupees 14. Okay. Hence the cost of 32 kg of iron is rupees 14 into 32. Okay children. Then children, see, there are two ways of multiplication that we are going to see. One is the regular way and second one is the box method. First we will see how to solve this in regular way. Now children, see, 32 into 14. First we will multiply with 4. This 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Then 0 we are going to have here before multiplying by 1. 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 into 3 is 3. Now children, these numbers are written one below the other and then we do the addition of these two. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. And 1 plus 3, 4. This is our regular or a traditional method of multiplying. Now children, I want to show you here one more method of multiplication and that is box method. Now children, in this box method what we do, see here there is two numbers 14 into 32. What we will do children, we will split this 30 and 2 and here 10 and 4. Okay, and then like this box we will prepare. Now children, what we will do first, we will multiply 10 into 30. That will give us 300. Now children, 10 into 2, that will give us 20. Now here 4 into 30, that is 120. And 4 into 2, that is 8. Now children, here these 4 numbers we are going to add. 300 plus 120 plus 20 plus 8, that will give us children 448. Or children, you can add in horizontal way also this 300 plus 120 plus 20 plus 8 will give you 448. So these are the two ways of multiplication children. Okay, this method you have studied in 3rd standard. So this is one method and this is traditional method. This is called traditional method. This is called box method. Okay, so both the answers are the same and here this is 448 rupees. Now children, let's see the next question. Kiran buys 1 kg iron for rupees 12 but sells it for rupees 14. How much does she earns when she sells 32 kg iron? So let's find it out. Now children, money earned by Kiran by selling 1 kg of iron is equal to its cost price was 12 rupees and its selling price was 14 rupees. So 14 minus 12 will give you 2 rupees. Now children, hence money earned by selling 32 kg of iron, we have to multiply rupees 2 into 32 because this is for 1 kg. So for 32 rupees it will be how much? Multiply. If you multiply it, you will have 64. By box method children, first you have to multiply 30. You have 32 is written as 30 and 2. Now if you multiply it by 2, you will have here 2 30s are 60 and 2 2s are 4. If you add these two, you will have 64 rupees. Therefore, by selling 32 kg of iron, Kiran earns 64 rupees. Now next, what will Dinu pay for 152 kg newspaper? Now children, Kiran bought 1 kg newspaper for rupees 5 but sold it for rupees 6. How much money did she earn by selling 152 kg of newspaper? Now children, Kiran bought 1 kg newspaper for rupees 5 but sold it for rupees 6. So children, its selling price is more than cost price. So money earned by selling 1 kg of newspaper will be selling price of newspaper minus cost price of newspaper, that is rupees 6 minus rupees 5 is equal to rupees 1. So money earned by selling 152 kg of newspaper will be rupees 1 into 152, that will give you 1 into 152 will give you rupees 152. Therefore, she earns rupees 152 by selling 152 kg of newspaper. Now children, here we will write that she will earn 152 rupees by selling 152 kg of newspapers. Now children, they have told that what will Dinu pay for 152 kg newspaper. Now what is the rate of Dinu's purchasing, children? It is 6 rupees. So we will multiply it by 6 into 152. That will give us 912. Okay children. So for 152 kg newspaper, Dinu will give Kiran rupees 912. Now children, they are asking you, is 912 less than 1000? So we will write yes, it is less than 1000. Now children, the next question is, what does Dinu pay for brass? Now let's find us the rate of Dinu for brass. Now children, what does Dinu pay for brass? How much money will Dinu pay for 4 kg brass? Now children, cost of 1 kg brass is rupees 170. Cost of 4 kg brass, you have to multiply 4 into 170 rupees. Now children, if you multiply it, multiplication you know it very well now, it is rupees 680. So the money Dinu pay for 4 kg brass is 680 rupees. Now children, next, first guess the answer and then calculate. Here are some sums of multiplication, children. Here I will solve only one question for you and rest you are going to do it on your own. Now children, I am going to show you how to solve these questions by box method. Now children, here I am multiplying 37 into 18. Now children, this 37 I will write 30 and 7. And this 18 will be written as 10, 8. Understood children? Now I am going to multiply 10 into 30. That will give me 300. Then 10 into 7. That will give me 70. Now children, 30 is multiplied by 8, that is 30 into 8, that will give me 240, and 7 into 8 will give me 56. Now these four numbers, children, we will have their addition, and if you add them, you will have the answer 666. In the similar manner, you are going to solve these questions. These questions you are going to solve by the box method as well as traditional method. Okay children, now we will stop here. In the next video, we will see Feel My Diary. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.